Here's a way to add more context and some more additional information for developers when adding some reproducible issues or showing reproducible issues. First, we need to open DevTools. One way to do it is to go through the menu, click More Tools, and here's the last one is going to say Developer Tools, but it for some reason shows it outside of the screen, but you go to the menu and click the last one, Developer Tools. It's also going to show a shortcut how you can use it without clicking this all the time. It depends on the operation system. In my case, it's Command Option I. I can press this and it's going to open the network tab, the one that we care about. The other way to open it is you can right click anywhere, go to Inspect. It's going to open Elements and then we go to Network, and this is what we need. So once we're here, the first time we need to prepare it, we need to click a few things. We want preserve log. It's going to preserve history in case you click on some redirect and it goes to different website and come back. It's going to make sure that the history is saved. It's quite useful in some cases, but it's not the worst when it's not there, but it's good to have it. The other thing we need is fetch instead of all. It's going to only select requests to the backend and other websites that we care about. It's not going to show us images and maybe fonts, stuff that we don't care about. So this one, fetch, and this one, preserve, only once. You don't have to do it ever again. The other thing, that in case this one is not on the right but somewhere on the bottom or somewhere that not comfortable stays in the way, you can always resize it, and you can also click on the menu and put it to the other side. You can put it to the left, to the bottom, or to the side. Just make sure that it's part of the tab and it's recorded by Loom or whatever you're doing. So this out of hand. So imagine we have an issue. We open the network tab. We try to go to our reproducible issue. For example, in our case, I want to change the phone number. I click the add phone number, try to add the phone number, and here I see the red failed request. Those are the ones that we usually looking for. You can click on this one and provide this context to us. Just as a video picture, it's fine. But in case there's too many, like here's 5, it's fine. But if you go to the main page, you're going to see that it's way more, and it's not that fun to go through all of them and look for them. You can sort it by status. Here's the third one is going to stay status. If you move it to the side, it's a bit more readable, status. But you click it multiple times and it puts the red ones, fail one to the top. And those are the one we care about. Once again, you click on one, it shows us the context, and you can also go around with errors, open a couple of ones to show more context, so click it by hand, it's whatever. As long as we get the information which URL failed and what was the status code. Because by URL we can see that, okay, this team's responsibility to fix it, or this team's responsibility to fix it, and we can easily sort and filter stuff out. If there's too many things or you have to switch between different tasks, you can also press this button to clean this, or it's also Control-L shortcut to clean this as well. So you can go click more and it's more cleaner and it's not polluted with other stuff. And last thing that's optional but could be also useful is clicking on console instead of network and showing errors here. Because in this case it has a bunch of warnings. It has way more stuff and it's not clear which one is recent, which one is not. It could be less useful, but sometimes it's useful. It could get additional information, or it could be redundant, similar to the stuff we saw in the network.